And welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to share with you guys just a few products that I've gotten over the last say 8 to 6 months that I've been using, that I've absolutely just fallen in love with, and I was just like, you know what, let me just share this little video. And I'm going to give like my honest true reviews because I did pay for these products myself. These products are not sponsored. So before we get started, you guys know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also to make sure you hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload a new video you will be notified. My first product that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is my Girl on Lure 24 karat gold primer gel. I purchased this primer gel for $74 at Nordstrom's. Now I'm going to be honest with you, this is the most money that I've ever spent on a primer, you know, but I kind of did my research on it before I went and just, you know, hit that, you know, add it to the bag button. I went and did my research, and I've heard a lot of great reviews on this, so I was just like, let me just try it and see. It says it's a 24 karat gold infused cooling gel primer that sinks to the skin for long lasting, hydrated, and radiant complexion. Okay, so you apply this to your bare skin like you would do any other primer, and it smooths your fine lines out, it tightens the skin, and it provides an even finish for your makeup. Of course, I'm amused by the 24 karat gold that you see in here. The good thing is that it comes with a pump, so this is going to last me for a minute. I think I've had it at least 2 months now. I love gels. I have oily skin, oily in certain spots like T-zone, middle of the face area, this area here, down the nose, you know, inner face area. But yeah, I really love this product, and I must say I'm super impressed. Would I buy it again? Probably so. It's, you know, it's steep for the price or whatever, but sometimes it's worth it. I mean, 24 karat gold flakes in your primer, it doesn't get more bougie than that. So this is definitely a must-have for me. Can't speak for anybody else, but for me, I must have this in my kit. So that's that. The next product that I'm absolutely loving is, I received this in my BoxyCharm. This is the Butter Power Up Mascara. The Butter Power Up Mascara. And it's like a jumbo wand. I think this is probably the only thing that I don't like about this mascara is the wand is so big. But I tried this on a couple times when I just kind of did my makeup naturally, like a natural look. And I put the mascara on, and it really made my lashes pop. Like, my lashes went from like 0 to, you know, to 10 real quick on the scale. Like, they were popping real quick. So I'm like, this is some good stuff. It's just that I like it. It's just that the wand is so big. That's the only thing that I don't like. I like the shape of the wand. I like the bristles on the wand because that does matter. To me, it does. It matters. But it's just so jumbo. So I wish they would have made it skinnier. I got this in my BoxyCharm box, so I'm not exactly sure how much the price is. I don't think I have it on me right now. But if I find it, I will put it down in the description box below for you guys in case you want to go get it. Whatever this formula is, it's good. Another of my current faves that I absolutely love. I actually discovered this product. I was watching a Jackie Aina makeup tutorial, and I saw her put this bronzer on. And this is a lot darker than what it seemed. Hold on. Yeah. The shade is like a mahogany. What you see here, that's the color that it is. Well, I did do a little bit of contour, but like right here, I didn't do any contour here. So this color that you see right here, this golden brown color, that's the color that this truly is. It's probably just not showing because my ring light is so bright. But this Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in mahogany is the business. Like, I paid $28 for this. And the funny part is that I have a discount with Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I ordered this first and then realized, dang, I have a discount. So I was just like, whatever. I'll just charge it to the game. And this is like the perfect bronze for my skin tone. Then I like the packaging too. It's really chic and luxurious looking. And it has the little brand logo listed in the package. I don't know if you guys can see it when I flash it. Yeah, see that right there? Really, really cute. Really, really cute packaging. But next time when I hit pay on this, or when I order another one, I will be using my discount through Anastasia's website. So I won't do that again. But this is so worth it, you guys. $28, the best bronzer I have ever purchased, I think. And I have quite a few bronzers, but this one is my fave. So I found a great deal on Ulta, and it was a 2-for special. So I ended up getting 2 blush palettes. These you see here. This is volume 1 and this is volume 2. Okay, and I think I paid for these like $28 for both of these. So these are the shades in the first palette. This palette right here, this main palette here by itself is what kind of sold me. But the other one was coming with it, so I'm like, might as well, I can use it for, I have a wide range of clients from, you know, all different nationalities, light skin to dark skin or whatever. And I could definitely use both of these. So I was just like, I really love this palette. And that's the Saharan Blush palette by Juvia's Place. This is volume 1. And then we have volume 2, which are the softer, prettier shades. Volume 2 is for more so fair to medium skin tones, and I think volume 1 is for the deep, medium to deep skin tones, deeper skin tones. And I've used these as eyeshadows as well, so these were definitely a great buy. So I was really impressed with these. Another favorite that I'm currently using that I've been trying to basically, honestly, I've been trying to get my hand on this one product since last year, and it's been sold out. And I recently checked it like I think 2 or 3 months ago, and they had it, so I jumped on it and I ordered 2 of them. The LC Cosmetics, the Velvet Sponge. I absolutely love this. I love this because you see the pointy fixture that it has right here. This is good for like when you're trying to do your highlight with your concealer. This goes perfectly, it fits perfectly in the eye. As you can see, I use it today, but I love this product. And these were, yeah, I got 2 sponges for $18 a piece. I don't really use it for foundation. I'm still stuck on brushes for foundation. Sometimes I'll use my beauty blender, but as far as my highlighting and putting on my concealer underneath my eyes and highlighting my face, I'm using this. And here's another product that I received in my BoxyCharm, is the DC Lemonade lip gloss. I thought maybe when I saw this I was like, oh, this might not be my color. But when I tried it on, it kind of goes on like a nude, pretty nude clear color, and it's like very glossy. So I love this, and I do keep this. I don't keep this in my makeup kit, but I keep this in my purse just for me. And the name of this lip gloss is Peach Tea. Like, I have a little bit of it on right now. It's not too overpowering. You can really see my lipstick and my liners, but I did put a little bit of this gloss on because I like my lips to be really, you know, like glossy. I'm not a matte girl. I'm not into the matte lipstick thing. I like matte fix sprays and stuff like that, setting sprays, but when it comes to my lips, I don't like them to be dry at all. My last product is made by Beauty Glazed. It's like 15 pressed glitters. So I said, let me just try this out. I think I paid like $21.99 for this product. Let me try this out and see what it does. So I got it in the mail. One thing I can say is that I expected it to be bigger. It looked like a bigger palette online, but you know, this size is just okay. But it comes with all these very bright, vibrant colors, which I love color, as you can see. So I've kind of played with these a little bit. I've worn at least 1 or 2 of these, but I wanted to show you guys the payoff on these and how they look. So I'm just going to swipe a few. I'm not going to swipe all of these, but I'm going to swipe, let me see. Like, for instance, this is the blue. See how bright that is? That's the blue. Here is the pink, and they don't have any names on these or anything like that. Here's your blue, here's your pink. Here is your, here's a red. So these are very pigmented colors, and I do love these a lot. And I noticed that when I did play with these a little bit, I put them on, they move a little bit because it's like a very, the glitter's not refined, like super refined. It's kind of a little chalky, but they stay on pretty well, you know. And I would use this if I were you. If you're going to use it, I would use it with a glitter glue adhesive. That's what I would do. And then put these on so they don't move. Okay, and then here's a few more colors. And then they have like a fuchsia. I love fuchsia. So let's try that out. So it's very vibrant. It has a good payoff. Maybe if I'm going to like a New Year's Eve situation, or if I'm going to like Vegas, or like maybe a birthday party, whatever, and I just want to do like a cute little fun look, I definitely will be using these. I think for the payoff, the price is really good. So this was like a cute little buy. So that is the end of my current favorite beauty products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please don't forget to comment down below. I do comment back. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share as well. Stay tuned, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye.